Hello everyone. Today's date is 25 September 2021. Our today's Viva topic is methods in Java. My name is Akash Babar. Let's discuss our today's Viva topic, methods in Java. First we will see the flow of program. First we create a project. After that we create a package. In that package we create certain classes. If we created a class, in that class we use a method. Then we will see actually what is meant by method. Method is it is a block of code that can perform some actions with the specific requirement. In that there are some statements used. With the help of that statement the program is executed. We call the method with the help of with the help of program. In that compiler execute the program and gives us a result with the help of that specified method. Actually we created a method. After that method we call that method in another class, that is a main class. We will see a syntax. If we see a syntax in detail, public static void main. If we give an example like public static void main, then public is a access specifier, then void is a return type, static is a keyword, and main is a method name. We will see each and every one in detail. Access specifier, that is public. There are four types of access specifier. Access specifier used to decide the flow of program, or is decided to scope of a program. There are four types of access specifier. First one is private, second one is default, third one is protected one, and last one is public. Private one is used to it is accessible only within the class. Scope of the private access modifier is only within the class. Second one is, as we see, it is default one. When we don't use any access modifier, then by default program used a default access modifier, that is used within the package only. Our third one is protected one. It is used within the package and outside the package with the help of returnability. Last one is our public one. It is the scope of that access modifier is, as name suggests, it is for public. We will discuss after the access modifier as we see a syntax. Public static void main. Public is access modifier, static is used to a keyword, then void is return type. We will discuss in detail return type. Return type is, there are two types of return type. As we see, void is used to when we don't want to return a executed block of code, then we use void type. And the second one we use primitive and non-primitive. In that we use int, double, that some types of integer we use in that int type. Or after the return type we see the method name. Method name is used to describe the method. It should be compatible. It should be meaningful. For better practice, it should be start with a lower case. If you want to use only one word for method name, we have to start with a lower case, and if you want to use more than one word, we have to start with lower case. After that each word should be a capital, that is a camel case. So that is our method name. After the method name we have to specify the argument. In that argument we have to specify different types of argument. That argument should be should be used in method or a block of code. After that, there is a block of code. In that block of code, we use actually we have seen argument. That argument is used in that block of code. With the help of this all syntax, we use a method. That is our methods in Java. We have seen there are predefined method and defined method. There is we have seen a keyword that's static and non-static. So all this is used in methods in Java. Thanks. That's for today.